Hello and welcome back. Today I'm doing a set that I've been wanting to do for a while, but I kept running into obstacles. I'm going to do some cherry nails, and I wanted to do this for a while, and the easiest way would have been to do it over white, but of course I'm difficult and I wanted to do them over black. I don't draw nail art, so I was looking for different stickers or foils, something with cherries on them so I could just apply them on top of the nails. I even bought some decals, and then I remembered that decals don't show up over black, so I was left with no choice but to try to draw some cherries. So you will see my struggle nail art today. Now, I could have sworn I had some black acrylic, but apparently I do not. So I started off with this regular black polish, and I'm painting the thumb, the middle finger, and the ring finger black. And then for the other two nails, the index and the pinky, I wanted to use red acrylic, but none of the reds that I had matched the shade of red that I'm using to draw the cherries. So I'm taking just some regular red polish and I'm painting those two nails, and this shade of red matches the acrylic paint that I'm using for the cherries perfectly. Now for the cherries, I'm taking this red acrylic paint, and at first I started off using my dotting tool, but I realized that in order for me to have to draw as little as possible, I needed to make the cherries as big as possible, and the dotting tool just was not cutting it. It was making circles. It was way too small and taking too long. So I took a Q-tip and tried that with the paint, and that worked, and it made decent circles of a pretty big size that I wanted. So I did that on all the nails that I painted black. Then I went and took some green acrylic paint and just made my little stems. After that, I took some black acrylic paint and just went in to clean things up and fix any mistakes. And then I took a gel top coat and just did a thin layer on top of all of those just to protect the design. And then I cured those nails, and then I capped all the nails in clear acrylic. Please excuse my messy hands. That paint gets all over the place and I don't even know how. After filing and shaping, I applied my top coat, cured the nails in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I applied my cuticle oil. All right, there are my somewhat like cherries nails. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.